To prepare this amazing white sauce cheesy Maggi, we'll first boil 2 packets of Maggi bar. So here I've got enough water for boiling. We'll add in the Maggi bar and boil it just for 2 minutes, not more than that, because these are instant Maggi noodles, not the Hakka noodles. Let it boil for 2 minutes, do not overcook it. I'll show you, it still has some resistance. At this stage, close the flame and strain it. Pour some water over it to stop the carryover cooking. If you want, you can preserve the Maggi stock to dilute the Maggi later. I'm also drizzling some oil and keep this aside. Next up, in a pan, I'm heating 2 tablespoons of butter. You can also use oil instead. To this, I'm going to add a tablespoon of finely chopped garlic. Toss that for about 30 to 40 seconds. And after that, I'm adding 1 onion finely chopped. Toss that as well just for 2 minutes. Do not overcook the onions and make it dark. Time to add some veggies. So in goes some capsicums, some finely chopped carrots, and some boiled corns. Cook that as well just for 1 to 2 minutes. You can use any vegetables of your choice here, or even add some chicken pieces. And after that, I'm adding about 2 tablespoons of maida, that is all-purpose flour, and toss that as well for about 2 to 3 minutes, or until the rawness of the maida, that is all-purpose flour, goes away. So you can make it out, the rawness has gone, it is slightly frothy on top. At this stage, I'm going to add in 1 cup of milk. This is pre-boiled cooled milk. And while you're adding the milk, keep stirring so that no lumps are formed. And continue cooking it for about 3 to 4 minutes over medium flame. You can see the sauce has thickened enough. At this stage, you can use a reserve stock or water, whatever you wish to. At this stage, I'm going to add in some salt, some black pepper powder, some red chili flakes, and mixed herb seasoning. If you want, you can also add the Maggi taste maker, which comes along with the noodle packet. But today I'm not adding that because I want this to be proper white sauce Maggi. So at this stage, I'm adding the Maggi stock, that is half a cup, and continue cooking it for 2 to 3 more minutes. And as you all know, white sauce is incomplete without cheese. So here goes in half a cup of cheese. That is some processed cheese and mozzarella cheese. You can use any cheese of your choice here. Cook that as well for about 2 minutes or until melted. You can see this thick white sauce base is ready. At this stage, add in the pre-boiled Maggi and toss it for about 2 to 3 minutes or until the entire Maggi is nicely coated with the base and the sauce and becomes flavorful. But make sure not to overcook it and make it very mashy. So it's done enough. Time to serve it hot as it tends to set up after cooling. After serving, you can put some herbs, red chili flakes, or even some more cheese on top if you wish to. So I hope you enjoyed today's recipe as much I did in making it. And if yes, then do like, share and subscribe to my channel. See ya!